Hi, my name is Carol Shelkin and I'm here at Create Arts Online. I'll be teaching unique examples of using alcohol inks for beginners and how to take your art to the next level. Alcohol inks are fluid colors that are vibrant and fast drying. You can be free from boundaries that will inspire you to create organic designs. In this course, I'll share with you the variety of supplies needed, how to begin, where to purchase them, unique techniques to create designs, and how to prevent them from fading. I'll also cover safety and setup. Alcohol inks come in a wide range of many colors and pigments that are sold in very small bottles, with a little bit of ink going a very long way. I'll show you how to extend the ink and how to create pastels and even how to create other colors with alcohol-based pens. I'll introduce metallics so you can continue to explore your own creativity. This course is a technique-based course, not a project-based course. So I'll offer you many ideas for you as the artist to explore. You'll be able to go and create endless projects for yourself and, of course, others. I'll show you examples of color blending with many different tools that you have around your home and many that you can purchase as well. Here's a tip. Keep in mind, if you're not satisfied with your design, all you have to do is wipe the inks off of your hard surface with a blending solution and start over. I'd say have fun.
Carol, thank you so much for coming to Create Arts Online. This is such a fabulous course on so many different techniques that I really think is so achievable for so many people.
I have to agree with you and thank you and your supportive hubby for inviting me. I really appreciate being here and being able to share this with so many people. And I agree with you, there's a lot of techniques here that's not often offered in many courses.
Yes, and that's why we did this, is we wanted our students to learn everything from the beginning, how easy it is to apply the alcohol inks to the different papers, but then share a little bit more how you developed the different techniques with the pen and the big exciting one, the tempered glass.
Yeah, I kind of developed this. I have not seen this anywhere before. So I was really excited about working this because it's really unique across the board, across the United States, across the world.
The globe.
I have not seen this, no. So I shared it with you, and I know that you were really excited about it.
Yes.
And I thought, you know, with you that we can offer this as well as all of the other options. It's a great project, or many projects, because it's a no-fail project.
Exactly.
You know, you can't make mistakes with this, which is really fun. So many people are so afraid to do something in the arts.
Yeah.
And what I have found with my students, and I've been an art teacher for 30-odd years. Maybe 40-odd years, maybe 40. I know. So what I have found is that to get people to relax and really enjoy themselves, I offer this as an option as well. I teach painting and I teach Mosaic and I teach pottery and I teach a slew of many other mediums. But this is the relaxing one.
Yes.
This is the one that you go to when you really need to sit down and push the world away and enjoy your time and space.
Well, and like you said, the no-fail, it's so achievable. It's so gratifying because the first few, dots you put down, all of a sudden it's usually a wow experience. And then from there, you can make glassware. You can do different ceramic tiles. She teaches you about the varnish and the gesso. There's so much in this course. And then the PowerPoint presentation where you give recipes of different colors and things to use. Like, I can't imagine having to go anywhere else to get all this kind of alcohol ink lessons and techniques.
Yeah, and I'm going to share something with everybody that is really cool and really special, and that is that this project is so unique that if you don't like what you create, there's a way that you can erase it and start over, which is absolutely fabulous.
Yes.
Not many people tell you that, but we just told them.
We just told them. So on that note, run and go get your Alcohol Inc. course from Carol Shelkin. There is the Alcohol Inc. Greeting card one that I do that is a good just starting, but when you really want to dive a lot deeper, if you had fun with that free tutorial, this is the course for you.
Yay!
Yeah, so I can't thank
Have
you
fun.
enough. Yes.
Oh,
for
thank
coming
you.
here.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
it was great. Thank you.